This is the 2018 BMW X3. The X3 currently sits in one of the most competitive markets here in North America, especially when demand is high for compact SUVs. The luxury compact SUV segment is more fierce than ever before. This current third generation has been in the US market since November of 2017. And when this third generation was first introduced, the Acura RDX and the Mercedes GLC class had a head start in sales in comparison. However, that was expected to change over time since this generation has doubled in sales in 2019. So what made this X3 great compared to the previous year? Aside from the completely new redesign on this generation, it introduced good safety ratings and reliability refinements. It increased cargo capacity compared to the competition and better handling. This is the xDrive30i trim. This is the entry-level all-wheel drive variant compared to the xDrive30i, which is only rear-wheel drive. And then, of course, the top trim for this is the M40i. The newer models later introduced the new mid-trim, which is the xDrive30i, with an integrated electric motor. Miles per gallon expectations are 22 city, 29 highway, and 25 combined. The overall length of this car is 185.9 inches long. The wheelbase is 112.8 inches. The overall width is 84.2 inches wide with the mirrors. The height of it is 66 inches high, and the ground clearance is an even 8 inches tall. It does come standard with 18-inch rims, however for this particular model, it has 19-inch rims. These wheels currently sit on 245/50R19s. When coming back inside of the X3, you can see that it can comfortably fit 5 people. There is 40.3 inches of legroom in the first row and 36.4 inches in the second row. One nice feature in the back seats is that you can actually recline these individually, which is nice. I should mention that there is no third row available for the X3. You can only find that on the X5. You can pull down the seats through these levers here. There's 27.8 cubic feet of cargo volume, but when the seats are folded down, you have 62.7 cubic feet. Underneath here, you'll find some additional storage as well, but not a spare tire. Some of the features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, and what you saw earlier is the power tailgate, a rear view camera, power front seats, and reclining back seats. Navigation will be on a 10.3 inch screen. However, for this one, this is a 6.5 inch screen. There is one feature that does not come standard, and that is the forward collision warnings. However, the X3 does well in crash testing. Drive options include Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. This is a dial for your menu. Hidden back here is your 2 cup holders and some additional storage here. There's plenty of storage in the center armrest. All right, let's take this for a spin. So what do you guys think about this car? Is this something that you would choose over the Mercedes GLC or Acura RDX? Let me know in the comments. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.